It won't switch over.
Oh, it doesn't switch over.
But my trusty razor blade. And I got 2 boxes. They were heavy, so
Yeah, we had a note from the mail person saying that they were too heavy to handle. Like it said how many pounds, and it just said too heavy.
yeah. Then I went to the post office, and the guy was like, "Oh, you need a dolly?" No, I don't need a dolly. No, little girl.
Look at this. He doesn't even know dolly.
But let's go unbox and see what's going on. There's 2 other companies that make this kit. However, Ruff Stuff had it in stock, ready to ship for a reasonable price.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see what they have.
First, Tony has to learn how to use a razor blade.
And it was packaged really well.
It is packaged extremely well. Let's show that.
It's gonna go for.
Oh, am I even showing it? There we go.
It's definitely no one getting it here. No kids. No. Kid proof.
Dog proof.
Everything.
Tony proof.
Workout. Trying to get a refreshment.
So Tony wanted to cut all the packaging open before we started recording, but I said no, these things are packaged way too well, so we need to show that.
Yeah, definitely packaged well. First, yeah, packaged really well. So these are my rotors, 5 and 5.5.
Boring.
I know. So I got rubber brake lines.
Oh,
Just needs brake lines.
those look nice. They got
pretty
cute
nice.
little weld tabs. Sweet.
So we got that. Got a nice little rotors, which is good. I mean, they're simple, but hey, it'll work. These are packaged really nice.
They really did a great job packaging it.
Yeah.
So that's cool. That's gonna be perfect.
Yeah. So next,
Bronco upgrades.
so I think over here in this other box we have hopefully calipers. If not, I'm screwed. They're definitely not Woolwoods. Especially worse than 6 pods. So I spoke to Ron at Ruff Stuff Specialties, and yeah, he was a really good guy. He answered all my questions, even though I called him 4 different times. So really great. Package really.
You didn't annoy him?
I hope I did, but you know, he answered all my questions, and
Yeah.
I don't have much experience. So go here. Got some nice calipers. Looks like steel it ones on it. Oh, nice.
Cool. Those are really nice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Brake pads installed.
Nice finish.
One of those. And second one.
Cool.
It's pretty cool.
And then there are brackets.
And we got brackets.
That's
so
what I'm talking about. Alright.
because Ford makes these axles different sizes. I don't really know, but I talked to my buddy Mike, and he said, yeah, it's probably 3 1/8. So Ron recommended the 3-inch bracket. So here they are.
So that's all they make. The 3-inch one?
Yeah, 3-inch and 3 1/4, and I think maybe 3 1/2. But got brackets.
Cool.
That's nice.
Perfect.
I think that's it.
They even come with hardware to bolt the calipers on there?
I don't think so. I think it may be. Yeah.
That's okay.
I don't think so, but
Oh, maybe it's these guys. Yeah, it's probably those.
Sure.
Wow.
Look at that.
All in
There
one.
we are.
So, Tony wanted to say thank you, Ruff Stuff.
Thanks, Ruff Stuff, for everything.
And thank you guys for putting up with this video without being able to turn the camera around. Full selfie video.
Selfie.
I don't know what I'm doing in selfie mode, nor do I ever know what I'm doing with the camera. BMW. Vince, we're live. You want to say hi to all the fans and people?
Hi,
We got Vince and Chris assembling some beadlocks.
we're doing stuff.
You don't want to just awkwardly stare at the camera, Vince? How about you, Chris?